stars shine and everything feel right, from the mountains down to the sea. Fiji Islands calling me. Palm trees swaying to the reggae sound, barefoot walking on the golden sand. Ooh, a smile everywhere you go. Kind hearts, love them always show. From Nadi town to the outer isles, warm breeze and the island smiles. Once you come, you never wanna leave. Fiji living easy and free. Welcome to Fiji, paradise land. White sand beach and ocean so grand. La Loma in the air, feel the vibe. Island rhythm make your spirit fly. Welcome to Fiji, cool alive. Daytime sunshine, calm nights, from the people to the sea. Fiji love is all you need. Talanoa stories cover around, laughter echo, sweet island sound. Village life so pure and real, simple things, that's how we feel. Snorkel reefs and sunset glow, crystal water, let your worries go. From surfers ride them rolling waves, to honeymoon under moonlight rays. Respect the land, respect the sea, never knew our identity. From old ways to modern days, Fiji shining in many ways. Welcome to Fiji, paradise land. White sand beach and ocean so grand. La Loma in the air, feel the vibe. Island rhythm make your spirit fly. Welcome to Fiji, cool alive. Daytime sunshine, calm nights, from the people to the sea. Fiji love is all you need. One love, one heart, one nation strong. Different cultures we belong. Indian, Itoke, Chinese too. Many roots, one Fiji view. From festival drums to church bells ring. Unity in everything. Come as visitor, live as family. That's the Fiji hospitality. Welcome to Fiji, island dream, more beautiful than it seems. Come feel peace, come feel free, in the heart of the Pacific Sea. Welcome to Fiji, Pula Vinaka. From sunrise gold to sunset fire, carry the